Hello viewers, let's see the line or boxes problem in LibreOffice, which is very hard to delete and created due to the copy paste text from internet. So now you are watching that lines or boxes have been selected. Let me click table and then delete, but that option has been locked. Now right click and cut as we do in MS Office also doesn't work, and if I write text so it doesn't go out of the box or I can't write below the box. So let's select it to permanently off it. Select this, click view and then select boundaries. Off this tick mark and now it disappear but it has not been deleted. So in case if I do some writing or I select this area, so these line would be once again visible. Now you can see it. Let me recreate or highlight it, click view and then tick mark the boundaries so you may see this properly. Now after this we will simply delete it. Select all the lines or boxes, right click, edit section, and in edit section now we will permanently remove this. Section 1, section 2, section 3 text section, you can see it. These are responsible for these boxes or line. So now click remove. Remove it many times so these section boxes become 0 and click OK. Now you can see it's gone. I'll do some writing and you will see that it will not appear as you see it before. Now I select all these and I also show you the boundaries and there is no line and I can write anywhere in accordance to my choice. So through this way, you can delete the unwanted lines or the problematic lines of LibreOffice. By the way, I deserve like this time because it would be the first tutorial of this problem on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.